What's up, guys? You're welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create video prompts. Okay, so this is my ChatGPT. So let us start from the idea of what we want to, the type of video we want to create. So I want to create cartoon video, and it's about let us use cats video. Okay, so let me say I want to create a cats video of 1 minute. Okay, so sometimes it depends on the type of AI you want to use to generate your video. The AI I want to use to generate my video can generate 8 seconds per video. Okay, so let's say make it 8 seconds per scene. Okay, which is no, let's say which is 8 seconds per scene. I want to create a cat video of 1 minute. I don't want it to be up to 1 minute again. I just want something that we can create within. Okay, should I say 1 minute? Let's say 50. Okay, let's say 1 minute. All right, it's fine. Let's say 1 minute. I want to create a cat video of 1 minute, which is 8 seconds per scene. So the AI I want to use with the dot 8 can only generate 8 seconds per scene. So depending on the kind of video you want to create. Okay, so you can give me suggest. Let's start ChatGPT to suggest any topic for me. Okay, so let's start from here. And I want it to be realistic, and I want it to be cinematic and realistic cartoon story. So let us now send. So I'm starting from scratch. Remember, I don't even know what I want to create. I just know that I want to create a cat video of 1 minute. Okay, so ChatGPT has suggested some. Okay, yes, it has suggested this for me. So sometimes you can ask for ChatGPT to create different topics for you. So from the topic you can just select one of the topic. So it might be a motivational topic, which you can also use cats. So let's assume I'm not okay with this. Let's say I want the story. I want the story to be a story of a wicked cat that does bad all around. Make it a emotional story. Emotional or scared. Make it a scared. Okay, scared and emotional story. At the end, police should arrest the cats. Okay, so all the characters in the video should be cut. Okay, I think this one will be okay. Now let us send this. All right, so we have this is what we have. This is what we have. We are going to be having 8 scenes. Each of the scene will be 8 seconds each. So if you multiply it, that will be 8 scenes. That will give us 1 minute video. Okay, this is scene 1, this is scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, like that. So when ChatGPT is done with the story narration, okay, you can now tell ChatGPT that you need video prompts. If you see this last statement, it says, could you like me to help you write the script, create video prompt? Or so what we need is video prompts. Just say, now proceed with the video prompt for each scene. Okay, for each scene. So I also want the cat to speak, so you also make it there. Make sure the let's say include, make sure you include the voice notes or voice over and voice over to make the cat to speak. Okay, so let us try this. Here's the first prompt, voiceover dialogue for each scene. So this is the, now we have a prompt for the video. So this is the prompt 1, this is the first scene, and this is the first prompt. So all you have to do, depending on the AI you are using, you will just copy the prompts and go and paste it on the AI you want to use. So these prompts can make it to speak, and it will also generate the video. So we are going to be generating maybe the first one and the second one and see. Okay, so you can see that this is the prompt. Let us wait for it to generate. Another thing is that I want consistency. If you want consistency, you can also tell ChatGPT that I want consistency. Please kindly write this prompt for me to make the wicked cat to be consistent, so that the AI will be consistent. Okay, so we can also do that. Let us quickly do that. Kindly rewrite the prompts and make the particular cat's wicked cat to be consistent throughout all the scenes. Okay, so I want the cat to be killing other cats. Don't forget that the story should be a story of cats killing people, persecuting people. Let us tell it to ChatGPT as well. Don't forget that the story of the cat is a wicked cat killing other cats and doing bad stops in the society. Okay, so I think this one will be cool. So now anything we have now, I think we can use it. Okay, so we now have the prompts. Scene 1. Okay, you can see title, Shadow Claw, the terror of Clone Town. Okay, duration 1 minute. You can see all these things. Now we have these prompts. So let us generate the first one and the second one to see. So all you have to do is to copy the prompts. I will copy the first prompt now. You copy the prompts and go and paste it in the AI you want to use. Okay, so let's go. All right, so I want to be using Google Flow. I want to use Google Flow for this video. Okay, in my next video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Flow, how to set up your account. So that is why you need to subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you need to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video like this, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so remember we have copied our prompt, so you just paste it here. You paste it and you will click on send. So we are going to wait patiently for the video to generate. Okay guys, so our video is ready and this is what we have. Let me play it for you.
They feared me. Good. Fear is power.
I hope you can see the video. Okay, so let us proceed to go and generate the next one. Okay, so we are currently in the second prompt. Okay, so you copy it, and you go back to your Google Flow. That is the AI you want to use, and you paste the prompt. You paste it here and click on send. Okay, so you also wait patiently for it to generate. Our second video is ready.
He left scars on the city and fear in every corner.
You can see that is the second video. So that is how you will go ahead to generate all the videos. And when you are done, you can download them and take it to CapCut or any video app you want to use and edit your video. So the goal of this video is how you can use ChatGPT to generate video prompts, and that is what we have just done. Okay, so anyhow you want it to be, if you want it to be a cartoon cat, you can also tell ChatGPT that you want it to be a cartoon cat. So, and when you are done with everything, you can proceed to go and use CapCut. You can see what ChatGPT is saying now. Turn this into CapCut script template, all these things. So guys, I hope you have learned one or two things today. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Flow 3. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye for now.